Okay, and there's been some talk of not having a formal conference committee on Capitol Hill, just sort of do this informally, probably behind closed doors. Does the President have a view about whether this should be an actual conference committee or just be negotiated out?
I think the President is anxious to get the differences worked out and get a bill to both houses and passed out of them. I think you can go back and look through the past many years and see where situations where they work out the differences between two bills. It happens very similarly to what the President is engaged in now.
Just lastly, why can't you answer the C-SPAN question?
I did.
Well, you didn't, because
I said I hadn't seen the letter, which I haven't.
Why do you need to see a letter? I mean, this is something the President said during the campaign, and he talked about he wants everything open on C-SPAN.
Dan asked me about the letter, and I haven't read the letter. So
I'll just ask you about having it on C-SPAN.
I understand. I answered Dan's question, and I answered this before we left for the break. Keith, the President, number one priority is getting the differences worked out, getting a bill to the House and the Senate. We've filled your newspaper and many others with the back and forth and the details of what's in these bills. I don't want to keep that from continuing to happen. I don't think there's anybody that would say that we haven't had a thorough, robust, now spanning 2 calendar years debate on health care. Juliana?
There are a lot of reasons not to do it on C-SPAN. People could showboat. Does he regret making that statement during the campaign?
No.